Hi everyone, and welcome to QCB 2020. I am Jean-Christophe Goujon. I work at Bpifrance, and I am the organizer of a one-day event dedicated to quantum computing technologies with focus on business, trying to understand the nature and the potential of disruptive innovations based on quantum computing technologies in order to identify real business opportunities. This is the true topic of this conference, and we are so proud of our panel of international speakers, which mixes so many startups, corporate managers, investors, researchers, all leading experts with so many women. The end result is that with more than 800 of attendees, this conference has succeeded in attracting stakeholders from all over the global quantum ecosystem. From this point of view, I consider the bet is already successful. So future is quantum. Definitively, it's our deep conviction. It's, I think we all share it, and it's also a hashtag. So don't miss it for your social networking. So I'd like to, first of all, thank the President of the French Republic, Mr. Emmanuel Macron. He agreed to put this conference under his own patronage. We are very proud and honored with that, and thanks to him. I would like also to thank our sponsors, Atos and Total Groups. They have mainly contributed to make this event free of charge, and thanks for that. By the way, don't miss the talk of Mr. Elie Girard, CEO of Atos. He will open our afternoon session. Thanks to our partners, Le Lab Quantique, with President Christophe Joussac, who will give a talk at the last round table in the late afternoon, and Quantonation, the leading French investment funds involved in deep physics with a focus on quantum technologies. So, to conclude, because as you know, the program is very, very busy, a special mention for our two moderators of this very, very long day, Elam Keshefi and Olivier Esrati. Thanks both of you. I know better than anyone the huge job you have done just to organize these meetings, and perhaps the hardest part is still to be done. So I'll use the sets, and it's up to you. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Let me also welcome everyone online. We are here at BPI France, the hub. This is an international event, both in participation and speaker, line up with superstars of the field from academy to industry. And let me again remind everyone why we are doing this. The message is simple. Quantum computing exists. It's working, can be tested. It might be useful as well. So the spirit of this event is to expand the reach of ecosystem of quantum beyond the insiders.
And besides covering the usual topics in any quantum conference, we expanded it to at least two new topics that I would like to mention. One is the aspect of scalability with regards to thermodynamics and energy. It's important to look at this topic. And the other one is distributed computing. We're going to have a special panel for this. So that's what's going to be special about this event. We cover everything. I mean, software, hardware, applications. We have a lot of use cases covered later today. And in the end, we're going to cover the ecosystem, the French ecosystem, to discuss where we are right now and what are the key success factors of an ecosystem, regardless of the country, because many of the key success factors are common to every country.
However, to make this event successful, given the time limit, the width of the topic we want to cover, the number of speakers, we have to set up some rules. And everybody should stick their timing. We will, as moderator, drive the discussion, but this is your event. Please participate, ask your question in our chat, and we try to present it to our speakers and to our panelists, and make your question relevant and focused. We are here for quantum business.
So let's talk about ourselves a little bit.
Let's talk about ourselves.
Well, we needed to have in this conference a moderator who was a real scientist. so we have Elam. I hope you know her. She's a director of research at CNRS. She is also the co-founder of a startup. It's good to have people who are both researchers and entrepreneurs in that space. And she's also a specialist, mostly in, I would say in quantum software. And she invented a number of things that's amazing. And she co-invented or contributed to the development of MBQC, so measurement-based quantum computing, blind computing as well, many theorems, many protocols. That's her work, and she's still very productive with her team in that space. And you know, she's very serious. She's dead serious, and don't mess with her during the conference. I know I'm going to have to be very careful.
Okay, let's go to you, Olivier. You know, simply put, he's the Swiss knife of quantum tech. He's well known for his incredible ebook that he has freely made it available about quantum tech. A lot of us, both in academia and industry, are benefiting from him. He's driving the visibility of, particularly in France, the ecosystem of quantum technology, particularly with the set of podcasts you're publishing with Fanny Bouton.
Exactly.
He's a software engineer, but he likes physics, he likes hardware, and the most simple way to put who is Olivier, he's the godfather of our field in France. So don't mess with him either.